This year, the big revolutionary thing that we've done is we've taken two pieces that have never been put together. Low center of gravity, which gives you a lot of speed off the center of the face with high launch and low spin. People know that, right? And then the other one that people talk about is important is aerodynamics. If you can create a driver so that it's more aerodynamically efficient, you can swing it around your body better, faster, so you have club speed, which goes to ball speed.
Cobra continuing to look at aero and how they can help make the club faster, and that's something they did on the F9, was to try and make the club faster with the aerodynamics.
That's what's great about like the SPEEDBACK technology, is just it comes off a lot hotter, but at the same time with the low CGs, it's not a high spinning ball, which you never want to see in the wind because it can go anywhere.
This year, right off the bat, I noticed that the spin is a lot lower. It's launching higher. It's faster too. You know, you got that the crown that's flatter on the top, and with the CG that's a little lower and behind, it allows the ball to get up in the air more consistently with a little more speed.
Of course, last year we launched the CNC milled face for the first time. It allows us to really control the thickness of it and control the curvature. So if you do miss it, it's going to be right back down in the fairway with the maximum amount that you can, even on a miss hit.
Certainly that type of technology, you know, Arcos and Cobra Connect, and the data that they're going to get, they're going to have an idea of what they're doing when they're on the golf course. And to me, that's the most amazing thing, is it lets the player really know in real time what they're doing while the game is being played in.
You know, when you look at it, you know, if the club happens to be a little bit faster and that gets you that, you know, 1 to 2 mile an hour ball speed, I mean, 1 mile an hour ball speed is, you know, 3 or so yards, and those add up over time.